Hey, still wet. Why is this taking so long?
Is your hairdryer frustrating? Does it take up so much energy that it makes your legs flicker? Does it take a lot longer to dry your hair than it used to?
Yeah.
If you answered yes to any of these questions, we have news for you.
What?
Say hello to the Barbar Eco-8000 eco-friendly blow dryer.
The Barbar Eco-8000 eco-friendly blow dryer comes with 2 precision styling nozzles, 1 diffuser, and multiple heat and speed settings. In addition, the hair dryer heats up to a steamy 310 degrees Fahrenheit and has a 10-foot professional cord.
Wow, it goes to cool and warm and hot. Do you see this? And it goes from low to high. This is the hair dryer of my dreams.
Did you know that the average hairdryer gives off radiation similar to that of a microwave?
You mean like I'm cooking my hair?
While this isn't like proven, the radiation from a microwave is thought to cause cancer. This means that your hairdryer might be giving you cancer, and like no one wants that.
That's right. The Barbar Eco-8000 eco-friendly blow dryer gives off a lot less radiation, keeping your brain safe from those harmful waves because it only emits clean heat.
That sounds really dangerous. I heard the electromagnetic frequency of regular hair dryers with the little metallic heat coils emits over 200 millivolts. In comparison to the Barbar eco-friendly 8000 blow dryer, which emits only 4.1 EMF. In comparison to 200, that's a big difference.
That's right, you can be health conscious without sacrificing performance.
Wow. So tell me, what's so special about this hairdryer in comparison to all the other ones on the market?
Well, all of the other hairdryers on the market use around 1,875 watts, which is a lot. Your old hairdryer used that.
I see. In comparison, the Barbar Eco-8000 eco-friendly hairdryer uses only 1,100 watts, which is 41% less energy than that clunky old thing.
So I'd be saving a lot of money. That's really cool.
Yeah, that can save so much money on your energy bill, and it's good for the earth.
What else is fantabulous about the Barbar Eco-8000 eco-friendly hairdryer?
Well, the Barbar Eco-8000 eco-friendly blow dryer weighs only 1.9 pounds. Here, you can feel the difference.
Wow, that's so light.
The Barbar Eco-8000 eco-friendly hairdryer has also been featured on Good Morning America's Ultimate Deals. It is praised for being fast drying while also being environmentally conscious.
Good Morning America is still running their special deal for a limited time only. So, using promo code GMA60, go to www.barbarhairtools.com/GMA to get an exclusive deal of 60% off and free shipping. Get it while you can. The Barbar Eco-8000 eco-friendly blow dryer sounds like a great product, but it must cost a fortune. And what if I break it? Well, fear not, because
You can get the Barbar Eco-8000 eco-friendly blow dryer for only $60, and it comes with a 1-year warranty.
Also, the Barbar Eco-8000 eco-friendly blow dryer is a lot higher quality than most other hairdryers on the market, so you won't have to buy another one for a long time, which makes the slightly higher price a lot more worth it.
That's right, a normal 1,875 watt hairdryer might cost you over $7 a year, whereas the Barbar Eco-8000 eco-friendly hairdryer would cost you less than $3 a year. Within 10 years, you would save over $40. What a lifetime deal. That's cost effective. I learned that from all of my mall shopping trips, and I think I'm ready to give this product a try. This is so powerful. love my Barbar Eco-8000 eco-friendly hairdryer. There's no way you won't love your Barbar Eco-8000 eco-friendly blow dryer. Just walking down the halls, you get tons of compliments.
Wow, Grace, I really like your hair.
Thanks, the Barbar Eco-8000 eco-friendly hairdryer makes it really shiny and just gives it that glow.
Your hair looks great today.
Thank you, it's my new Barbar Eco-8000 eco-friendly blow dryer. It dries my hair all the way without frying the ends.
But just in case you find our product unsatisfactory, we promise you a 30-day money-back guarantee. But just in case you aren't convinced by the 1,100 watt hairdryer, it contains an AC motor powered by a cool shot button. Blowing cool air through your hairdryer takes a lot less energy, only further lowering your electric bill. So what are you waiting for? Get your Barbar Eco-8000 eco-friendly hairdryer today.